everyone, this is Ankita signing into my first YouTube channel. Actually, I love cooking so much, so people around me suggested to have my own YouTube channel so that I could share my recipes and they could become a better cook. Actually, we can't say now that no one knows cooking because last lockdown taught us a lot, and every people, I mean, they started cooking. Those who were new, those who were bachelors, those who hadn't cooked any time, they also started cooking. So this time a thing struck into my mind. As you can see, I'm having a baby, Candy. Yeah, she's old, 8 months old now, and so post delivery I have gained a lot of weight. Actually, at her time my weight went to 72. Yeah, 72 to 73 kgs. Now I am of a 65, I think. I'll show you people after when I'll measure it. So I thought of starting my YouTube series containing 100 days. I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself. In that, I will share my daily vlogging only with my diet plans, whatever I do since morning till night, and hope so I will be able to reduce my weight. By the time, whatever I will do or whatever I will eat, I will sleep, I will do exercise, I'll play with baby. Actually, it will be a daily vlog. But yeah, stay with me, stay tuned, so that if you want to continue the journey with me, you can stay. We together can do it. If I can do, you can do, right? So whatever I have taken in the morning, I woke up at 6 o'clock after making my baby ready. I just kept her with my sister, and they were watching TV. Yeah. So when I came back from the walk, I did a walk of 45 minutes, you can say, a non-stop walk. Actually today is my no eat day, my drink day. So आज बस मुझे पीना है. So morning में मैंने lemon water ले लिया with honey, then आके मैंने green tea ले लिया with ginger. Now अभी मैं chia seed and flax seed की जो पाउडर होती है, रोस्टेड पाउडर फ्लैक्स सीड की, वो मैंने रात में ही उनको वाटर में डाल के रखा हुआ था, so that till now a jelly like substance which I love about chia seed. Previously also I've tried this one, but now dedicatedly I am doing it, and basically my YouTube channel will keep me motivated, and I want to keep this journey, and I want to have a glance later in my life that yeah, I had done it, and I want to be back, means pre-delivery what I was. I want to be that. Now you can look at how she plays. Candy, 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 hi. So I'll show you what I'll take now. Okay, bye. Yeah, it's full the class now. Wow, when it slips into my tongue now, I feel so yummy. Now look at her, how happy she is seeing me having this, because she loves water a lot. Now she also wants to have. Okay, it is done for you, baby. And now this poem will start it. I don't know up to what time, until she sleeps, it will be continuing. More. Okay. ये मेरा recent weight है. I weight now 63.8 kg, means almost 64. So let's see up to how much will I able to reduce in this 100 days. Till that, stay tuned. It's time for me to have a coconut water. It tastes so yum. Actually, coconut is my favorite fruit. Yeah, so I love it, and it makes me hydrated. गर्मी में ये tummy के लिए काफी अच्छी होती है. So I recommend. So now I'm preparing a dal. I mean mixed dal. इसमें चना दाल है, मूंग दाल है, और ये मसूर की दाल है. So now मेरे को भूख लग रही थी, and by the time मेरी दाल रेडी है, तो अभी मैं 1 ग्लास ये दाल की वाटर एंड I'll put half a lemon so that थोड़ा सा तो tasty हो जाए. Fine. Stay tuned. So it's juice time. अभी मैं grapes, watermelon and अभी शाम की टाइम हो गई है, तो अभी आरती करते हैं भगवान जी की, सो दैट विल कीप मी मोटिवेटेड बिकॉज 100 डेज इज अ लॉन्ग जर्नी. तो शायद 1 वीक 2 वीक शायद 1 मंथ की भी रहती, तो ये आई वॉन्ट हैव प्रेड दैट मच, बट नाउ इट रियली नीड ब्लेसिंग्स. सो या 10 days also doing पूजा. हाय एवरीवन, अभी मैं कल के लिए प्रिपरेशन करने वाली हूँ. ये डिटॉक्स वाटर मैं रेडी कर दिया है मैंने, और तुम चोरी चोरी जो वीडियो बना रही है सारा मेरे को पता चल रहा है. सो आई एम डन विद दिस. और ये मूंग है, होल मूंग, इसको मैं लास्ट नाइट ही भिगो के रखी थी. अभी इसमें बांध के स्प्राउट्स बन जाएंगे ये सुबह सुबह. हाँ, सुबह सुबह स्प्राउट्स बन जाएंगे, तो फिर आई विल टेक इट एज इन सैलड्स. ओह सैलड, समझ रही हो कैंडी. दिस इज हाउ माय बटर मिल्क लुक लाइक. Now for tomorrow also I have to prepare curd. So what I use is this low tone milk. Yeah, slim and trim, it's been written here. So इसमें बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में, look, fat quantity is 1.5% minimum. So I like to use this one. So after having buttermilk, I would be having this tea, green tea. This is exactly not going to be a green tea, but a tablespoon of this ajwain and soft fennel seeds. Yeah, teaspoon of fennel seeds. Once it will come to a boil, I'll add some green tea and allow it to brew. Then I'll have it. Probably this would be my last drink of the day. Since morning I took almost 8 drinks. Yeah, actually I made a diary so that it will keep me updated and allow me to have whatever in a fixed amount or in a adequate amount. So today what I took: hot lemon water, ginger tea, chia roasted coconut water, dal water with lemon juice, mixed fruit juice, cinnamon tea, buttermilk, and finally I'm having this fennel and ajwain tea. So yeah, today I was feeling a bit low because the reason is also there that today was my first day and मुझे बेबी को फीड भी कराना होता है just because she is too small. तो yeah, but I think in 2 to 3 days I'll be okay and just fine with it. So hopefully just be with me, stay tuned, and see you tomorrow. Bye.